It's Adam Gudger with Winnebago of Indiana here with Funtown RV at their PDI Center. We partner with Funtown RV because they have the best service, best prices, and best availability and selection in the industry. So we're here with the 2026 2108 FBS Micro Mini. The 2108 is a really great floor plan because we actually do it 3 different ways. We do it with a fixed bed, north-south, Murphy bed, and twin bed. This will be the fixed bed version that we'll be taking you through today. You can see we've gone with a new front end design for this year, added a new Flying W reflective front graphic, integrated fusion lights that you can turn on and off. And you'll notice they're not real bright. So in the campground, they're not going to be offensive, but it gives a nice little aesthetic and also a safety feature. Also, you'll notice with all of the Winnebago trailers, we use the Norco BAL frame. So we choose those because the engineers really love them because it's going to be a custom built frame for every single floor plan, huck bolted, E-coated, really just makes for a really nice riding coach. Another really great feature about the Micro Mini is the fact that it's only a 7 wide trailer, so really just better visibility. You don't need extenders on your mirrors, and we also incorporate torsion axles with this chassis. So for those of you folks that are out there that are a little bit uncomfortable about the idea of pulling a trailer, this would be one of the best trailers you're going to be able to find, lightweight and low profile. You can see lots of storage. We really like to try to incorporate as much exterior storage as possible so you can stay out for a long period of time. We also fully insulate and seal off the under compartment, so it's going to be a 4-season trailer for you. Lots of standard features like power stabilization for both the front and rear on either side, so you can get a nice grounded setting when you're camping. The awning on these units is the Valerium. One of the best features about this is the easy adjustment you have with pitch. So if you want to have the water run off either front or rear, you can do so very easily. And then that nice fusion light that's incorporated in as well. We've incorporated these new Suburban steps for this year. It is a composite step. So the first thing is they're much lighter than the previous steps that we've offered. They're not under where they kind of flex as you're coming out, a good solid platform. And then there's holes with them as well. So dirt and water isn't going to actually enter into the unit when you're getting ready to go on your next trip. This is a fully laminated trailer. We use a 2-pound polystyrene that's all laser cut, so there's no voids in the insulation in the sidewall. There's also Azdel behind the fiberglass. And then up above here, you'll notice that the JBL marine grade speakers are actually incorporated right into the sidewall there. So you'll have a nice music for both outside, and then there's also JBL speakers on the inside of the unit. The tires are upgraded. We use a radial Goodyear tire with those torsion axles, so really a great riding trailer going down the road. You can see the beautiful acrylic fenders that we have incorporated here as well, and then there's also some exterior connections for you. This is a 5-sided aluminum structure, so also the rear wall is also going to be laminated, and then there's also a bumper on every single one of the Winnebago trailers. Also, there's a spare tire available on all the trailers and a ladder for every one of them. It is a fully walkable roof. We use the AlphaPly roof system, which is going to have a water-based sealant, so it's not going to off-gas and shrink up. So lifetime limited warranty on that roof system for this year. Tankless hot water heater is also now standard equipment on the Micro Mini, brand new for 2026. It is a 60,000 BTU system. You can actually adjust it depending on what type of elevation you're going to be at. And then also with the slide out, you'll see that this is the slim rack slide out mechanism, best rack style slide mechanism, most reliable in the business. We cycle test these, very confident in their ability. And you can see just a beautiful travel trailer here with the 2108 FBS Micro Mini. As we walk inside, hard to believe this is only 7 foot wide. You can see it's very roomy inside. Really a livable type of scenario here. You got a great dinette. We actually even offer a sofa with an additional cabinet behind it, but this would be the standard setup. This dinette is also one that you can adjust down and make into a bed. You just push right down there, you just remove those cushions. Lots of storage is incorporated throughout the unit, and all these doors are soft close, as we can see right here. All the countertop material is solid surface, even underneath the TV, and then when you get back into the bathroom, stainless steel sink up front, nice big windows, and then also these beautiful roller shades that slow rise up and you have lots of window coverage. Every window in the unit also is one that you can open so you can get additional ventilation. This unit has a 13.5 BTU air conditioner on board, and it is a fully ducted air conditioning system. And then when you come around here, you can see even with the drawers, all foil top, removable utensil tray. And then coming back around, you have a convection microwave, 2-burner stovetop, 10.6 cubic foot refrigerator, and then a very roomy bathroom for the size of the trailer. This unit only measures 22 feet 5 inches in overall length. I got plenty of room to sit down on the commode. I got plenty of room here with the sink in the bathroom, a nice 30 by 36 shower with lots of height in it. You can see with the skylight, it even provides extra room. Every single one of our showers is gonna have a shower door as well. And don't forget, there's even some extra hanging space here in the back and some extra storage here for all kinds of other items. You can see we have a nice 60 by 74 inch queen bed here that's walk around, so you can get off on either side, and just a really comfortable setup. If you like this trailer, if you like the 2108 FBS, I welcome you to go check out this product at one of the Funtown RV locations, or come see us at funtownrv.com. You can see we've gone with a new front end design for this year, added a new Flying W reflective front graphic, integrated